Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2015 Kubota BX25D. So this would be the last of these before they went to a BX23S. And that was sometime late 2016, I believe that was. So this is a BX25D tractor loader backhoe. This is an all original, very clean tractor. Local tractor, one owner tractor. Tractor has approximately 325 hours on it. The dash went out at 320. It was replaced. We bought this from a local customer. It was his grandpaps. It's a very nice, clean piece. It is fully serviced. All filters and oils we just changed. There is one ding in the hood. Other than that, it is a very, very clean tractor. We're going to walk you around it here. Sorry for the wind blowing here today. It's cold and snowing in Pennsylvania. It's December I forget today is the 18th or something. We're still making some videos here for some content for you guys, for stuff we're selling. So we're going to start here under the hood and take you completely around this tractor. So we do a lot of these tractors, and you can tell the ones that are beat, the ones that were rental pieces or whatnot. This was a privately owned piece, but there is a ding here in the hood. I want everybody to see that, not hiding that. I want to be very truthful, okay? Under the hood. Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs great. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. We did fully service this. All filters and oils have been changed, both twin fuel filters. That is all done and taken care of. Up front on the loader, LA 240 on these, 48-inch bucket. Bucket's in very nice shape. R4 tires. Tires are going to be 75% all the way around the tractor. Backhoe attachment's in beautiful shape. 12-inch bucket, locking pins are with it. Folding roll bar. I do have the books and manuals to it. It does have the deluxe Sal high back seat with the armrest package on it. I'm going to put my hood up. And we're going to show you right here. These dashes were known to get water in them. And that's what would happen. They'd fog up. 4.2, and you can see that. Look at your treadle pedals, you look at your floor mat, you look at your pedals here. It shows that it is a low-hour tractor. Fenders are very nice and straight. You have your mid-PTO, so if you want to put a motor deck under this, you can. High and low range, four-wheel drive in and out. And again, it is folding roll bar. I'm going to fire this tractor up, we're going to run around. I'm going to show you it does everything it is supposed to do. So there was low range four-wheel drive, now we're going to high range. A great little tractor. We do a lot of BXs, very handy little tractors, very easy to maintain. The BX25 though is probably one of my favorite. I'm not knocking the 23S. There's some changes they made that, I don't know, in my opinion, I think these were a touch heavier in some spots. But I really like these old tractors. I think they're a good tractor. And this was the last of a generation of them. No oil leaks, no aftermarket welds, nothing broke. Again, I spend my money in service, and we get through and service stuff. Very Very smooth operation on the backhoe. Again, 12-inch bucket. These are a frame style mount backhoe, subframe if you want to call it, where it hooks right to the back of the tractor. Pin locks, they're all here. Short one's going to go right here for your swivel. Make sure it fits in. That's all there is to it. Now, exiting, going to go right down here to our foot grab. Unlatch the seat. Bring him around. Seat's going to latch right back in place with your grab handle here. Guess if the operator was right, there we are. That is about it. If you want to add 3-point hitch to this tractor never had it on. It's very easy. They make a kit. It's about $400, I believe. You can put 3-point hitch on it. You have 540 PTO. Very simple to do. But these are sold as a tractor loader backhoe package from new. So if you have a 2360, 2370, 2380, you want to add a backhoe, forget it. You need to have a BX25 or a BX23S. Okay? We're going to run around here and finish up this video. Headlights, turn signals, 4 ways, everything works the way it's supposed to. Again, guys, if you're looking for a very clean BX25D, here's something very nice. Again, we pointed out the ding in the hood. Most guys wouldn't even have done that. We did here. It is clean. We have serviced it. It is 100% ready to go to work. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need trucking, let us know. I'm glad to get you a trucking quote. Be glad to help you with that. Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.